Cruise ship balconies. They offer stunning views, fresh sea air, and a private escape from the bustling decks. But behind the beauty lies a darker side most passengers never think about. Today, we're diving into the hidden dangers of cruise ship balconies. Let's start with what might seem obvious, the risk of falling. Every year, a handful of passengers tragically fall from cruise balconies. While rare, most of these incidents are completely preventable. Sometimes it's due to alcohol, other times passengers sit or climb on the railing for a selfie or a better view. One wrong move, and it's a long drop to the ocean below. Cruise ships average 60 feet or more from the balcony deck to the water. A fall from that height is often fatal. Nighttime brings another layer of danger. Poor visibility, slippery surfaces from ocean mist or rain, and strong gusts of wind can make the balcony a hazardous place. Some passengers have even reported being caught off guard by sudden swells that soaked their balcony unexpectedly. You might think you're safe just outside your cabin door, but nature doesn't play by your rules. But the risks aren't always about falling. Balcony cabins can become entry points for theft. While rare, there have been reports of passengers leaving doors unlocked, only to have someone sneak in from a neighboring balcony, especially when ships are docked. Always lock your balcony door, just like you would in a hotel room. And then there's a danger that's easy to overlook. Young children. Curious, adventurous, and often unaware of risk, kids have been injured or worse after climbing on furniture near balcony railings. That's why cruise lines strongly recommend never leaving children unattended on balconies. Let's talk fire hazards. Some cruise lines still allow smoking on balconies, and even a single cigarette can start a fire in windy conditions. Balcony fires are rare, but when they happen, they spread fast and can be devastating. Many cruise ships now ban smoking on balconies for this very reason. Always check your cruise line's rules and respect them. Cruise ship balconies are a luxury, no doubt, but they also demand respect and caution. Avoid reckless behavior, lock your doors, supervise children, and stay aware, especially at night or when seas are rough. Enjoy the view, but stay safe. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more cruise safety tips, and share your balcony experiences in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels.